Hi friends, this is Vivek from Catcher Catfoo, and in today's video I am comparing two smartphones. One of them is HTC Desire 828 Dual and it costs rupees 19,990 and it is available only on Flipkart. While when it comes to the Oppo R7 Lite, it costs rupees 17,990 and it is available online and offline both. Talking about the specifications, the Oppo R7 Lite features 5-inch HD AMOLED 2.5D curved skin and it is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 3. But when it comes to the HTC Desire 828 Dual, it has 5.5-inch full HD display and there is no protection on the and while using both the smartphone I haven't found any issues with the display, and both the smartphone offers good viewing angles and the sunlight readability is good too. Above the display on Oppo R7 Lite, there is a 8 megapixel camera with speaker grill, range of sensors, and below the display there are capacity buttons. But when it comes to the HTC Desire 828, there is a ultra pixel front facing camera, mm, and there is a speaker grill with range of sensor and there are on screen buttons, and below the display there is a HTC branding with another speaker grill. On the right hand side there is a volume key and SIM card tray on Oppo R7 Lite. By using a pin you can easily uh, get access to it. It's a dual SIM card and by using TF card you can further increase the memory. And when it comes to Oppo Desire 828, there is a power key and a volume key, and there is a FEM by which you will find a unique design. And at the back both the smartphone has 13 megapixel camera with LED flash, a mic. But on HTC Desire 828 there is a HTC banding and there is nothing apart from this. The when it comes to Oppo R7 Lite, there is Oppo banding with the speaker at the back, and on the left hand side there is a volume power key on Oppo R7 Lite. But when it comes to the Desire 828, you will get the assist to dual SIM card slot and the micro SD card, so you just need to remove the plastic slab on the Desire 28. At the top, both the smartphone has 3.5mm audio jack, and at the bottom the story is different as the both the smartphone has micro USB slot for charging the device, and both the smartphone has USB OTG support too. Above all, there is a mic on Oppo R7 Lite. The HTC Desire 828 runs on Android version 5.1 Lollipop and with HTC Sense 7.0 right on top of it. But when it comes to the Oppo R7 Lite, you will find that it runs on Android version 5.1.1 with ColorOS version 2.1 on top of it. The Oppo R7 Lite is powered by 1.3 GHz octa-core Qualcomm Snapdragon 615 Plus, and it is paired with Adreno 405 GPU. But when it comes to the HTC Desire 828, it is powered by 1.5 GHz octa-core MediaTek MT6753 64-bit processor, which is paired with Mali T76 GPU. The HTC Desire has a app door, but when it comes to Oppo R7 Lite, there is no app door as such. When you see the Antutu benchmark score on both the smartphone, you will find that there is a quite huge difference. And on HTC Desire 828, it is of 42,000, but when it comes to Oppo R7 Lite, it is 32,000 plus. When it comes to a Quadrant 1, the Quadrant benchmark score is also different. On HTC Desire 828 Dual, it has 23,000 plus, but when it comes to Oppo R7 Lite, it is 19,345. The Geekbench score is also different, and you will see that the Geekbench score on HTC Desire 28 is much more, and don't know what happens, it hangs a little bit, and you can get the benchmark app from here and can easily find the score. Apart from this, there are some issues which I faced while using the HTC Desire 28, and when I will launch the high-end graphics game like Asphalt 8, you will see that the game doesn't turn and the gaming controls are not working on this smartphone, and there are some issues while playing Asphalt 8 on HTC Desire 28. Don't know is this the issue with the game or with the smartphone. But when it comes to the Oppo R7 Lite, you will find that there are no frame drops, and you will not find any issues while playing the Asphalt 8, and it runs pretty smooth. And there are no issues while playing such a high graphics game, and the phone doesn't get heats up although it has metal body at the back. Both the smartphone are unibody device, and the battery capacity on Oppo R7 Lite is 2320 mAh battery, and it comes with VOOC rapid charge. But when it comes to HTC Desire 828, there is a 2800 mAh battery capacity. Both the smartphone has 4G LTE connectivity, and the other connectivity features are 3G, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and GPS, AGPS, and GLONASS. The HTC Desire 28 is 7.9 mm thin, while when it comes to the Oppo R7 Lite, it is 6.3 mm thin and it weighs 147 gram. Clearly, when we look at the pricing and the build quality of the device, the Oppo R7 Lite has an edge over HTC Desire 28. But if you are a fan of using bigger display, then HTC Desire 828 is the choice for you. Otherwise, I recommend you to go for Oppo R7 Lite, as it has a better front-facing camera with the software experience is much better, and above all, it has a metal design by which you won't think that it is made up of cheap materials. This is your host Vivek signing off. Thanks for watching this video. Do not forget to share this video with your friends.